Hello everyone. Want to add a professional login or sign up pop-up to your WooCommerce website or else in your WordPress website without coding? In this video, I will show you how to create a step-by-step fully customized login page using a free plugin that looks modern and improves your user experience. Let's get started. And here you can see this is the e-commerce website I have created. Okay. And here you can see if I click on this login or sign up, this is a default login page that comes with my theme. I am using like Blocksy theme. Okay. So here you can see I have created this entire website using Blocksy theme and WooCommerce. So if you want like full tutorial, I have created like 6 hours plus course video in my YouTube channel. You can visit this website, and here you can see this is a e-commerce website designing 6 hours plus tutorial. If you want to learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website by e-commerce website designing by using WooCommerce and WordPress. Okay, so I have used like Blocksy theme, and this is the default login page. So I will convert this default login page to this login page, this customized login page using a free plugin. Okay, I will show you how I have created. Now let's go to dashboard, and here let's go to WooCommerce. We need to do some settings. Click on this WooCommerce option and click on this settings option on the left side. And in the settings, you have to select this option like accounts and privacy. First here, you need to enable this option like enable login during checkout, all these options like during checkout on my account page. You need to enable these options, and after enabling these options, you have to click on this save changes. So we don't need like guest checkout. Okay, so we can disable this. Okay, you can enable this and these two options and click on save changes. And now let's go to this plugin section. Click on this plugins option and click on this add plugin option. And here you can see in the search bar type login or sign up. Okay, and here you can see this is the login and register customizer pop-up or slider inline or WooCommerce. This is the plugin we need to install by Zotex, and it is having 40,000 plus active installations. We need to install this plugin. Let me click on this install now. So let me click on this active. So after activating it, please do scroll down, and on the left side bottom here you can see login or sign up option. You need to click on this option. Here you can see by default it is showing like a auto pop-up. This pop-up will be opened, okay, whenever we use this plugin. Okay, let me click on this purge cache after installing, and by default only this pop-up plugin will be enabled. Okay, so I will show you how it works. So this is the website. Okay, I have installed the pop-up plugin, and by default we are having this, and after installing it, here you can see I got this pop-up. After installing the plugin, we will get this pop-up like login or sign up. We can customize this pop-up also. If you don't need this pop-up, you can remove this pop-up also. Like you need to go to this login or sign up option, click on this settings option. You can disable this pop-up option if you don't need a pop-up means. Okay, click on let's get. Okay, and here you can see after disabling the pop-up, you need to click on this save options. Okay, now this is a form we will get by default whenever we click on this login or sign up option. If I click on this login or sign up option, here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, this separate customized login page will be visible. Okay, we can also customize this login page. Here you can see whenever I click on this sign up option, here it is showing like email, password, confirm password, first name, last name. If you don't want to add this first name, last name, you can customize these fields also. Let's go to this login or sign up option. After click on this general option, and here you need to select this manage fields option. Click on this manager fields, and here you can see during logout these two options will be visible, and when you click on register, so here these options are visible like email, password, confirm password, first name, last name. We don't need this first name and last name. Let me select this first name and click on this you need to disable this option. We don't require this first name, and we don't need this last name also. Okay, and here you can see please do select this username, and we will enable this username. Okay, and username should be on top. After that it should show like email ID. After that later it should show like password, confirm password, and we need to enable terms and conditions. Okay, we don't need this user roles also. After making the changes, click on this save changes option. Okay, and for reset password you will get these three options. Okay, and for the others we don't need these options. Okay, after this click on this save options. Okay, now let me open this incognito tab and let me refresh the page, and here you can see we are having like email, password, confirm password, first name and last name. After making the changes, after customizing, we will get like username, email ID. Click on this sign up option. Here you can see username, email ID, password and confirm password.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
If you want to change the styling, we can change the styling also. Let me go back and let me click on this settings option. Again, login or sign up. And here you need to select the styles option. Whenever there is black, I need to select my my branding colors red color. It is also having black color, and active background color, it should be in red color. Okay, and I want to change these two options. Let me click on this save changes option. After making the changes, let's go to this website and let me again click on this login or sign up. Here you can see I have changed the color code also. Okay, whenever someone types, here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, whenever someone is typing, the focus text also should change the color. Means here you can see we can change the active tab text color also, and here you need to select this fields option. Here input focus text should be in red color. Whenever we are typing, the focus text should be in red color. Okay, and let me click on this save changes option, and let's go to this website and click on refresh. Okay, let me again select the login or sign up, and it will be redirected to this page. Let me click on this sign up option, and here you can see whenever I'm typing, the input text color will be in red color. Okay, whenever it is not in highlight, it will be in black color. Okay, let me change the color to text color should be black color, pure black color. Let me click on save changes. Okay, and let me refresh this page once again. So you can change the stylings like this. So here you can see, yeah, now it's perfectly changed. Okay, if you are using like Blocksy theme, what you have, if you have seen my YouTube video, so here after visiting the website, click on this customize option. If you don't see the this customized login page, if you see only like default login page, you need to change the settings in this. Go to customize option. So in the Blocksy setting, you need to select this header option, and here you need to select this account option, this my account, and here you need to select logout option, and always the logout option should be account action should be WooCommerce. Open WooCommerce account page. Okay, after that enabling it, please do click on this publish option. Then only you will be able to see this customized login page in your website. Okay, they can register their details, and after registering they will enter their username or email ID and password, and they click on this sign in option, and they can order their required products in your website. Okay, and that's how we create this customized login page in your website. And please do watch my full e-commerce website designing course for free for 6 hours. Okay, you will get in-depth tutorials. You will learn in-depth tutorials in this video.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.